morning, everyone. Anthony here from Brothers Comfort Solutions. Happy holidays. We just want to say thank you for all the love and support through these holidays, and we appreciate it. We don't stop, even on Christmas. Heading to a no heat call in Ocean City. Let's go check it out. All right, Brian 80%er. Let's see if we got any codes. 1 fast, 2. Let's do that again. That was fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Code. All right, code 14 indicates lockout on ignition. All right, pulled out the igniter. This was the old one, as you can see, completely chipped off. So we had a universal one on the truck. We got that wired in. Kind of see it sticking out in that corner back there. Right now the blower's on. It's on delay. And we'll see if this thing fires up. Alright. Inducer's running. Let's see if we can get a look glow back there. Got a beautiful glow. Love the glow. Love the glow. If it glows, it'll show. There you go. Houston, we have heat ignition.